In this video, I'll show you how to add a devices from the home page. Adding a new device shouldn't require a treasure hunt through settings menus. The plus icon sits prominently at the top of the home page. Tap it. Select your device category: Smart Switch, IR Blaster, Sensor, Curtain Controller, and follow the on-screen setup wizard. The setup process walks you through every step: putting the device into reset mode, connecting to the device's Wi-Fi hotspot, linking it to your home Wi-Fi network, and assigning it to a room. The entire process takes under 2 minutes for most devices. You can also add devices from Settings, Devices Plus, but the home page shortcut exists because the most common moment to add a device is right after the installer leaves, when you're standing in your home, phone in hand, ready to configure. Thank you.